about self-deportation. It was about SB 1070 and making sure it was in 49 other states of the Union. It was about vetoing the DREAM Act. But on November 6th of last year, the American people went to the polls and voted for a compassionate, sensible, to fix our broken immigration system. And I'm happy to stand on this day with Congressman Baladeo to commit to you that that's what we're going to work to do and respect the will. They didn't say that only Democrats had all the good ideas, or the Republicans had all the bad ideas. They said work together and bring the very best ideas together. So, I mean, think about it a moment. You have the New York Times, and you have the very conservative Wall Street Journal. And you read their editorial pages, Mayor, and you would think they were plagiarizing one another. They're identical. A commitment to comprehensive immigration reform. Arturo, you spoke and you negotiated a collective bargaining, an agreement with major growers across this country. Major growers came together with Arturo and the United Farm Workers, the union, founded by Cesar Chavez, and reached an agreement. The AFL-CIO, which has never reached an agreement, never, nunca ha llegado a un acuerdo, with the U.S. Chamber of Commerce, each set aside their differences and reached an agreement. You see members of the faith-based community across this nation, some very, very conservatives from the Southern Baptists and evangelicals, and Catholics and Mormons and Jews and Muslims coming together, reaching consensus for a sensible solution to our broken immigration system and the devastating effect that it has on our families. They came together. In the U.S. Senate, John McCain came back stronger than ever for comprehensive immigration reform. Senator Rubio, who arrived in the U.S. Senate as a Tea Party favorite, said no to any kind of legislation that will grant legalization, much less citizenship, saying that that was amnesty, was one of the leaders of the bipartisan effort in the U.S. Senate. Across this nation, men and women are reaching fundamental compromise to find a solution to our broken immigration system, except in the House of Representatives of the Congress of the United States. And I am happy and delighted to tell you today, we are going to find those practical, common sense solutions, and Congressman Baladeo and I will get it done for you. They keep talking about amnesty. You know, Congressman Cotton was out there. Well, I'm not for amnesty. Well, neither am I. Read that Senate version. I went to the Congress of the United States to guarantee health care, universal health care for everyone in this nation. And what does the Senate proposal say? That if you're an undocumented immigrant and you want to get legalized, for the first 10 years you can't get $1 of subsidy to be part of Obamacare. Not a cent. And without the subsidy, you don't get health care.